Hello there. If you are new here, my name is Rebecca Schumann, and I have over 8 years of experience working as a classroom teacher and interventionist with middle and high school students. My passion for teaching and learning led me to earn my master's in education from the Harvard Graduate School of Education, and now I'm a full-time curriculum designer right here in Boston. Recently, many students have reached out and expressed concern and confusion about what they can do as young people to contribute in their communities, as well as how they can be change makers for a better future. In addition, as schools are closed and summer programs and extracurriculars canceled, they want to know what they can do this summer to have fulfilling learning experiences, make social connections, and still be able to put meaningful extracurricular activities on their resumes and college applications. So, to help you through this challenging time, I have been recommending this great online program to many students of mine, and I would like to introduce it to you and your students as well. The program is called the Pandemics and Public Health Learning Initiative, and it is designed by alumni from the Harvard Graduate School of Education, including myself. The program includes 3 parts: lectures, panels, and activities. Not only is it designed with the help of world-renowned professors and scholars, but it's also completely open to all students, with no tuition or fees required. In the program, there is one unique type of activity, the simulations, that I would love to show you all today. If you are curious about the research track, the other track that so many students and teachers fall in love with, please click on the link below to watch more. Simulations present students with hypothetical scenarios featuring complex and highly relevant real-world problems. Each student is assigned a role, such as a minister of health, business leader, or scientist. Through this role, students explore the responsibilities and tensions faced by these leaders when determining a course of action in a crisis. It's designed to feel like a game, which makes it the perfect mix of fun and learning, and a natural fit in this virtual learning era. Now, you might be used to doing simulations in person, so let me quickly show you how the online simulation works so that you can see what students can learn and accomplish with just an internet connection and a good virtual learning platform. Each simulation has both an individual track and a group track. The individual track can be thought of as single-player mode, where students go at the simulation alone, while the group track matches students up with 4 peers from around the world. The mission contours and learning outcomes are similar, but since the group simulation has more elements to it, I'll show you the group track. Students start by reading the simulation's rules of the game. Step-by-step instructions are provided all the way through, and students who have never participated in a simulation before have shared that they have got the hang of it quite quickly. Then, the issue background provides them with essential situational knowledge. Once they get the lay of the land, students are introduced to the different stakeholders in their scenario. In this case, there's a scientist, a president of a private company, an executive director of a foundation, an economist, and a minister of health. Next, the simulation begins with a dash of chance. Students click to spin the wheel and are randomly assigned their role. With their stakeholder perspective assigned and in mind, students are introduced to their group's scenario. By request of the World Health Organization, a new global health agency is being formed, and they're seeking insight and feedback in 2 areas: research and development in vaccines for infectious diseases, and funding for the prevention of infectious disease. The World Health Organization is also open to new perspectives and ideas, offering a 3rd area of possibility. Each stakeholder is expected to prepare and justify their own action plan, and debate and discuss to find compromises that satisfy everyone. They will condense their plans into 3 to 5 key recommendations for the World Health Organization, A 5-day schedule guides students through the process of research, drafting, revisions, and peer review, as well as coordinating with their group. Each day contains a summary and expands to reveal details. The first day is dedicated to the team dynamic. Group members get up to speed on the mission, meet and friend each other on their discussion thread, and divide the workload using the provided guides and templates. Day 2 dives into the stakeholder positions. Guided by the Stakeholder Interest tool, students research their stakeholder perspectives, develop their recommendations for the World Health Organization, anticipate other stakeholder objections, draft a persuasive action plan, and share it with their group. Stakeholder discussions and negotiations begin on day 3. Students read each other's initial action plans and leave comments in 2 prescribed rounds, designed to help students arrive at realistic and united recommendations. Day 4 finds students revising their action plans based on day 3's comments and negotiations. Then, they transfer their revised plans into a shared document to begin assembling the final group proposal. And on the final day, day 5, they bring it all back together. Following the peer review process guide, including a feedback checklist, students review each other's work, finalize their proposal, and share it on the Pandemics and Public Health Global Discussion thread. And that's it, a completely virtual 5-day simulation. If you have a question or concern, click down below to contact me or my colleagues, and we will be happy to help. If you liked this video, please be sure to check out the video for the Pandemics and Public Health Research Mission track, which gives students an opportunity to hear from public health experts and engage in a unique research project. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for weekly educational videos. Thank you for watching, and I hope you and your students enjoy the simulations.